All right, I drove all the way to Pasadena to get a real haircut. Mostly because this is one person I know who has a lot of talent, and the last time I got a really great haircut from her was when I started this channel, and I've been cutting my own hair since and just doing experiments. But what I really want is for her to fix the back. It's dipping down low, and you guys are always asking me to show the back, and I never want to show you the back because I don't know what I'm doing with the back. So I'm hoping that she can show me the problem with the back of my hair so that when I trim it from now on, I know what I'm doing. And then I can also share that information with you, which would be awesome. Right now my hair is chin length, and all the pictures I brought are like mid-length, shoulder length. I don't know if she's going to be able to do what I'm asking for. She's pretty talented. Let's just see what she says. And I also want her to teach me a little bit about styling, because the last time she taught me, it kind of changed my life. So I'm going to ask her about the back and about the styling, and then I'm going to share this information with you and show you my haircut. My hairstylist Alix is so cute, and I love hanging out with her. If you want to read my Substack on all of the revelations I've come to after sitting in her chair, I wrote a Substack article on that, and you can find the link below in the description, because I feel like she has such good insights, not only into my hair, but into life in general. So I have a great time every time I come. And then she gives me the most fantastic haircuts of my life. Can you even believe how cute this is? It is so adorable. I kind of wonder if I'm able to do this at home. Can't wait to get home and give it a try. I still love this haircut. You know, I think I realized what a hairstylist does for me that I can't do for myself. I watched her practicing extreme constraint. That's not my strong point. So when she was working back here where my hair is thickest, and let me show you the back, she was really taking her time and point cutting like crazy into there until it laid the way it was supposed to, which it never does in my videos, but here it is. This is the real way, and I'm going to show you all around because I know a lot of you are trying to take screenshots to your hairdressers, and there you go. So I tried to learn from her what she did, and I got to tell you that the secret is in that she took the tiniest little bit of bangs up here and she kind of scooped them this way. She took a little tiny section of bangs and she over directed them in the opposite way and trimmed them that way, and it created these tiny little pieces that are enough to curve around my forehead but stay out of my eyes. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Will I go back regularly? I don't know about regularly because I'm able to trim my hair well enough, but as soon as this back starts getting out of control again, I really do think I should, because she got it really right. And having a haircut that works really well and doesn't have random embarrassing parts of it is important to my confidence going out in the world every day. So I think I will try to go back a few times a year. But this was so easy to style this morning. A little bit of a flat iron to just kind of curl around. And yes, I'm still using a Shark styler, this time with the flat iron feature. And I like this because I can blow dry my hair and then pop this on, and it's just one vehicle, one device is what I meant to say. And I just use this to kind of scoop my hair back now. And I use this now that my hair has gotten all chin length. I still like to use the one where the hair spins around the curler. That's cool too. This has been a pretty cool styling device that's helped me really learn how to style my hair. She also told me that basically this is a one length cut. It's just chopped into at the very bottom. She said that I have so much hair in the back that layering it would just make it poof out. So don't actually layer it. One length, chop into the bottom. All right, thanks for coming with me on my haircut journey. Talk to you soon.